Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone has been doing great already. So guys, this is my juice. I'm making another juice recipe. In this video I'm making two different type of juice, but I've gone in to add my pineapple peels into the pot. I've sliced in my lemon and lime. I added some lemon sticks. Yeah, lemon sticks. What is that called again? Lemongrass sticks. Guys, sometimes your head is so full and you keep forgetting to pronounce things right. So forgive me, please, because I've been making some blunders in speaking some kind of English rather than saying the right thing. Sometimes, honestly, it happens. But anyways, I'm making some juice. Okay, so I have my lemon sticks. Did I say lemon sticks again? Lemongrass sticks. Yeah. Oh, Lord, have mercy. So I have my lemongrass sticks here. I have lime and lemon, as you can see. I have pineapples. So I'm going to go in with my lemon leaf and my lime leaf. Two combination. This is lemon and lime. Okay, I'm adding this in, and I have bitter leaves. I'm also going to add it in. We are making juice, right? Did I say juice? Yeah, we are making juice, but we are making very healthy juice. Okay, I'll show you everything that I have here. Am I going to go in and add this or save this for? I'm just going to add it in. All right, this is my pineapple head. You can also use this. It's very medicinal and very good. So I'm going to add my black peppercorn. I'll wash this and add it in before I show you other things. So you can either blend it in or you just add it in like so. I think I'm going to blend it in because honestly I really want that heat. Yeah, just give me a second. I'm going to blend it in. Yes, what do you think? I feel like blending it in will make you feel the heat really well. Trust me. I have I've done this couple of times and I know how that is. I'm going to allow this to come together. In other words, come to a boil. I'm using this tea to prepare the juice recipes that I have going on. I'm going to show you the items I'm going to be using for this juice, but this tea, I'm going to be using it for this juice. I feel like this pot is small, but I'm going to be using this pot because that is the closest thing right now for me. Okay, yeah, so I have my carrot, I have turmeric, as you can see, I have ginger, and I have, yeah, carrots, ginger, turmeric, and I have my scent leaf here. I have pineapple. I'm using one whole pineapple. But to the peel, I had some extra leftover. I added it to the tea, okay? So I'm making beetroot tea. I'm going to make beetroot tea. I'm going to make beetroot tea with pineapples. I'm going to make mango juice also. You can call it mango smoothie or mango juice, but I'm making mango juice and I'm making mango juice. I'm making beetroot juice, but I'm adding pineapple to the beetroot. I'm adding carrot. Every other thing you see here is going into the juice, both of them. I'm also going to be using dates to, yeah, I'm using dates to sweeten this because it's going to be natural. We don't want no sugar, nothing. This is going to be the sweetening, and these dates. Of course, you know carrot has some sweetening, not very sweet, but this will help it. We need a sour taste of this and the mint in this. You can use mint. They call it mint leaf here in America. So if you don't have scent leaf, you can use mint wherever you are. But yeah, these are the things I'm using. I'm going to bring out my mango. Okay. So guys, our tea is ready. I'm going to off the stove while I start getting other things ready. This is my mango. I've gone ahead to wash nicely. I'm using 5. All right. I love mango juice a lot. I wish I had bananas, but I'll show you that recipe next time. I think I've done this before. But yeah, all of these things, I'm going to turn them into a very delicious, healthy juice for my family. You can also do the same, okay? Yeah, let's get all of this ready. I'm using this juice. Remember, I have my lemon lime, my black peppercorn, my bitter leaf, my lemongrass sticks, my pineapple, and my lemon and lime leaf. That's all I have here. Beautiful medicine. I'm going to combine all of these together. I'm going to go and pour this in my garden because this is compost. Very healthy compost, trust me. Very, very healthy compost. See how beautiful our garden is doing great, guys. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is my cantaloupe. It's coming nicely. I'll show you small cantaloupe that is already coming nicely. Guys, look at, I have some tomatoes already. Look at that. I have some tomatoes. It makes me feel so blessed. This year I have varieties of cocoyam that I planted. This is my scent leaf. Look at all my scent leaf. Isn't this a blessing? Our bitter leaf is doing good. Look at that. Just a little tour here. Look at that water leaf, guys. This garden is such a blessing. Trust me. Any little thing I put in the ground, boom, starts, growing. God is a good God. Look at that cantaloupe. Isn't this a blessing? Look at that. This is a blessing. Trust me. Look at that. God is so good. I'm just going to pour this somewhere. Somehow. Yeah. And I'm going to pour some soil. Yeah. This is so good. We are making our mango juice first. This is my scent leaf. My scent leaf has gone in. This is our tea. Yeah. Remember, I told you I'm going in with our tea. If you want a healthy living, just go about it this way. Emege mụ mgbọrọgwụ. Emege mụ mgbọrọgwụ nwanne m. I'm not off. This is all our mangoes and all of those good stuffs. I'm going to add it in. Turmeric, lemon, lime. We are going to blend this. blend until it is very, very smooth. If you have juicer, that's good. I have juicer, but this is like very fast for me if I want to get things done very quickly. This is it. My husband will confidently drink this one. If I do anyhow, I'm on my own, guys. My husband likes sweet things, and if you don't do it certain way, you're going to be on your own. The same thing with my children. This is the last section for mango pineapple juice. Okay. This is absolutely amazing. I'll show you everything by the time I'm done. The next thing we are going to focus on is our beetroot juice. Stay tuned. So I have some lime here, or lemon. Guys, oh my goodness, I'm going to add some of this tea. This is for our beetroot juice. I love that heat. I have been enjoying it here. Oh yeah, it's so good. Yeah, this is it. And here is everything for, this is everything for our beetroot juice. I am sipping in this juice. It's so delicious. So we're going to go in with, guys, I added dates. This is my date. I added 4 just for taste. You don't need to add sugar, but if you care, you can go ahead and add sugar. Adding some more water. Yeah, I think I'm dividing it into, at the end of the day, I'll mix everything. So let me wash my hand. We are going to blend until it is very smooth. Our beetroot juice. I'm going to sift this, guys. It is fantastic. Yeah, at least with the carrots and the, what's that again? The carrots. Yeah, and the dates. It tastes really, really, really good. This is the last one. We're going to go ahead and blend. We are done with this. We are going to sieve. I'm going to sieve this, guys. Okay? Sieve this and our juice is ready. Do you know that I will use all of this fiber to marinate chicken? I can use it to make my stew recipe, and trust me, or my tomato paste, it will come out so beautiful. Beautiful, trust me. My battery is running down. I gotta do what I gotta do. I have to plug it on, otherwise it will die off. Guys, oh man. This is so far. Sorry. This is so far I've gotten. I still have more. This is my beetroot juice. Very, very healthy. This is good for your heart. Just good for you if you want to live healthy. This is all of the fiber. I will use this to make stew or use it to marinate my chicken. Guys, it's better you use things like this, vegetables, fruits, to marinate your food. So if you have a sieve like this, go ahead. That's all you want to do. have sieve better than this, go ahead. This is what I have. Look at that. That's it, guys. I don't want us to stay too long in this kitchen. And moreover, I have a lot of other things to do. So I'll show you how I have gone ahead to get all of this ready. Okay. Look at that. If you like the fiber, you can leave a little bit in here. If not, just sieve it this way. You can also use this for your meals. Trust me. Let me show you. So this is my pineapple and mango drink. You can add ice if you like. It's very cold already. This is the third one that has scent leaf and all of those. I don't want ice. You can go ahead and add ice here if you like. I'm running, guys. Add ice for refreshing. I'm going to drink this. I don't want ice. This is how you can serve this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Thank you all so much. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.